Selective laser melting. Introduction. Selective laser melting started at Fraunhofer Institute, Germany in 1995. It is a particular rapid prototyping, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing technique designed to use high power density laser to melt and fuse metallic powder. A component is built by selectively melting and fusing powder within and between the layers. Laser beam scan direction melt solidify layer powder layer powder be, powder bed process series material complete melting of the powder particle part density approx 100%. Process of selective laser melting. The process starts by slicing the 3D CAD file data into layers, usually from 20 to 100 micrometer thick, creating a 2D image of each layer. With SLM selective laser melting, thin layer of ato- atomized fine powder evenly distributed using a coating mechanism onto the substrate plate. This this takes place inside a chamber containing a tightly controlled atmosphere of inert gas, either or argon or nitrogen. Once each layer has been distributed, each 2D slice of the part geometry is fused by selectively applying the laser energy to the powder surface by directing the focused laser beam in x and y axis. The laser energy is intense enough to permit full melting or welding of the particle to form solid metal. The process is repeated layer after layer until the part is complete. Application of powder layer. Melting of powder layer, lowering the platform metal part made of serial material, 3D CAD data subdivision into layer plus metal powder. XY is scanner coming from laser beam window, leveling system, gas process chamber, powder part, movable platform. Laser substrate plate, powder moving platform, that is first layer, then n number of layer, then loose powder removed, finish part revealed. Concept of SLM process: high power laser melting selectives area of powder bed. Third process is repeat for successive layer. Third, powder loose powder removed and finished part revealed. Material used for SLM. The material that can be processed including stainless steel, cobalt, chromium, titanium and aluminum. All must exist in atomized form and exhibit certain flow characteristics in order to be process capable. Application of SLM. Medical and dental application. Knee joint material, cobalt, chromium CuCr. Hip joint material, ti- ti- titanium or TiAl6V4. Dental prosthesis and implants. Another application of SLM, heat exchangers. Ferrous aluminum has high strength to weight ratio, excellent resistance to oxidation, wear, and corrosion, and it is often used in high temperature systems such as furnace fixtures, heat exchanging pipe, turbine blade, jet engine, etc. Lightweight structure. Usually, the wall of studs thickness of these structure is in the range of 100 micrometer. Complex geometry and structures with thin walls and hidden voids or channel. Vehicle part tools. Advantage of SLM: optimize material usage, saving of cost, high material utilization rate, improved production development cycle, ideal process for low volume production, allow for fully customized part to suit the individuals. Disadvantage of SLM: SLM is characterized by high temperature gradient which result in the buildup of thermal stress and a rapid solidification which gives rise to occurrence of segregation phenomena and the presence of non-equilibrium phase. The stability dimension and behavior of the melt pool will determine to a great extent of porosity and the surface roughness. Limited availability of some particular material in powder form.